advised that that's not going to happen. It doesn't mean that there won't be a charge down the road, but in New Brunswick, Crowns review charges before they are laid by the police. In this case, that review has not been completed. It's being undertaken by a senior Crown.
All right, now when the Crown sort of reviews a case in New Brunswick, it doesn't always go ahead with charges. Is that something that you anticipate may happen in this one?
Yeah, I don't have any opinion about what might or might not happen in this case. I can tell you first of all that this has been difficult and frustrating for Charles. It's been 3 months since the raid on his apartment, and he was arrested at the time for this charge. So I can tell you that there's been some concern nationally and locally about prosecutions under Section 301 of the Criminal Code. There have been 4 jurisdictions in Canada that have found this section of the code to be unconstitutional. And so I'm hoping that the Attorney General and her staff are looking closely at this section before they make a decision to proceed.
Some UNB professors were giving some support too. I understand they wrote a letter to, was it the Justice Minister or?
Yes, they wrote a letter to the Attorney General, just expressing essentially what I just said about Section 301, and that in this case it wouldn't be in the public interest to proceed with a prosecution when, in all likelihood, the New Brunswick court will eventually find this section of the code to be unconstitutional.
Why have there been cases where it's been found unconstitutional? What is sort of the nugget in that one?
Okay. Well, the courts end up doing a balancing act under the charter between freedom of expression and the general conception of justice that we have now. And the conclusion has been that the harm to people's freedom of expression outweighs the interest in having these prosecutions go forward.
Okay, thank you. That's good.
Thank you.